Hello and welcome. This video provides an example of a phishing email that appears to come from somebody at UCR requesting that you buy gift cards on their behalf. Let's take a look at the email to highlight some of the issues. In previous examples, the first indication that the email wasn't genuine was the domain it was sent from. In this instance, at first glance, the email appears to come from a genuine UCR email address. However, a quick search of the UCR profiles page will show that in this case, the sender is not associated with UCR. Even if a name does produce a match, it is possible that the person is being impersonated, so you should still look carefully at any emails you receive. Further inspection of the email reveals additional red flags. The email doesn't address the recipient by name, and instead has a generic greeting. You would normally expect an email of this type to be personalized. Creating a sense of urgency is also a common tactic used in phishing scams. The goal is to create stress and make you act without thinking. When you receive a suspicious message, you should consider whether it is even credible. If not, it is almost certainly a phishing attempt. The email also has some grammar errors and contains phrases you would not normally expect in an email of this type. When you receive an email, you should consider whether or not it is even credible. If you receive an email requesting that you buy gift cards for somebody, it is almost certainly a scam. You can stay up to date on current scams by searching on the internet. The Federal Trade Commission provides information on how to avoid and report scams, as well as details on common types of scams, including phishing. Hovering over the links in the message shows that they don't direct to the target.com domain as you would expect. Additionally, the links all point to the same location, even though the text in the email indicates that this shouldn't be the case. This is a strong indication that the email isn't genuine. Remember, you can report any suspicious messages using Phish Alarm. You can learn how to raise the Phish Alarm using the QR code or link on your screen. Remember, you should carefully examine any unsolicited or suspicious communications and report anything that doesn't look right. When you receive emails, you should always make sure you stop and think before you connect. For additional information, please visit our CyberSmart page. Thank you for watching.